For most Canadians, today is the final day to file your taxes if you want to avoid late penalties and interest on any amounts owing.
About 20 million tax returns will be filed to the Canada Revenue Agency, and if you haven't filed yours yet, there are good reasons to try to get it done. Here's Pat Foran and Consumer Alert. Pat.
Thanks, Nathan. And Michelle, a survey by H&R Block found a week ago 22% of Canadians still hadn't filed their taxes yet, and many will be scrambling to try and file them tonight before midnight. If you're self-employed, you have a little longer until June 15th to get it done. If you owe money to the CRA and you file your taxes late, you could have to pay a 5% penalty on what you owe, as well as another 1% penalty per month until your return is submitted. It's always wise to prepare your taxes carefully, but that's especially true this tax season.
This is really the year to sit back and say, okay, let's be a little bit more careful with what we're doing and make sure that, everything we have is complete and accurate.
The capital gains tax was to increase for the 2024 tax year, but it's been deferred for future debate.
So the capital gains inclusion rate, the change to take it from 50% to 2/3, that did not go through. It didn't receive royal assent.
Due to the postal strike, the CRA also extended the donations eligibility window, so any donations made in the first 2 months of this year can be claimed on last year's taxes.
If you have any donations that you made at the beginning of the year, just be aware that you can claim those donations on your 2024 return instead of your 2025 return.
Because the government got rid of the carbon tax, which was charged at the gas pumps, in the future you'll no longer get carbon rebate checks showing up in your bank account.
They scrapped the carbon tax on those energy products. Well, of course, now the rebate will go away as well.
You should do your taxes to receive other government benefits. You could get the GST credit, Canada Child Benefit, and other benefits, but you have to file your taxes to get that money.
There are often a lot of benefits that a person can unlock simply by getting your taxes filed.
If you have a complicated tax situation, such as you sold a property, got a divorce, or have a business, you may want the help of a tax professional. But if your tax return is fairly simple, you can do it yourself. You can find free tax software at the CRA website, which can walk you through the process.
If it's a simple tax refund, just a T4, just the income statement, then it can be pretty straightforward and free.
It's best to stay organized all year long. Create a file to store your receipts and paperwork so they're easy to find the next time tax season rolls around. And this year, the government had some trouble getting out some tax documents on time. If for any reason you don't have yours, you can sign into your CRA account. All the necessary tax slips should be there. On your side, I'm Pat Foran.
If you have a consumer story idea, email us at alert@ctv.ca.